Welcome to Simple French with Thomas. Today let's have a look to 35 very useful irregular verbs in French and how to use them with one of the past tense we have in French, le passé composé. So before to get started, I invite you to check out this video right there, which is about the regular verbs when you use passé composé in French, and this will show you what are the main rules you need to follow when you're gonna conjugate those verbs. You need to know if your verb, for example, belongs to the movement verb list or if it belongs to the reflexive verbs. Depending on this, you might need to use a verb or another, basically to be, être, or to have, avoir. So in the list of verbs we're gonna see right now, you're gonna notice that some of the verbs are actually movement verbs and other ones are not. Alright, let's start with the verb faire, to do, to make. J'ai fait, I made. For example, j'ai fait la vaisselle. Just as a little reminder very quickly, j'ai fait, I made. I could have said tu as fait, il, elle a fait, nous avons fait, vous avez fait, ils, elles ont fait. Fait never change if I use to have first, which will be most of the time to have. You will just need to adapt the conjugation of to have on the subject you're using. J'ai, tu as, il, elle a, and that way. But fait won't change if you use to have as a first verb. J'ai fait. Next verb, naître. Naître, which means to be born. Je suis né. In that case, naître is a movement verb. So I'm not going to use j'ai like we did just before, but je suis. And same thing, je suis né, because right now I'm talking about myself as a man. Né has only a at the end. But if I wanted to say elle est née, the subject being female, né will have e accent and then i. Né, same sound, you don't hear the e at the end. If I want to say elles sont nées, e accent es. Né as well, you don't hear anything at the end. So one more time, this will be the thing. If you use a movement verb, you're gonna need to use je suis né, tu es né, il, elle est né, nous sommes nés, vous êtes nés, ils, elles sont nés. Depending the subject, you will need to conjugate to be at the right form, and you will need to adapt né depending the subject. Singular, plural, masculine, feminine, this is only with to be. Alright, this will make more sense now when you're gonna see all the verbs in that list. If you see je suis instead of j'ai, it means that the verb it's actually a movement verb. The next one will be être. J'ai été. J'ai été à la plage. Rire. J'ai beaucoup ri hier soir. Beaucoup, it's an adverb that will describe how much I laughed. In that case, j'ai ri, it's a passé composé. I have two verbs, so I'm gonna place my adverb in between. Normally, the adverb goes just after the verb, and that's it. Je mange beaucoup. I eat a lot. But j'ai beaucoup ri, two verbs in between. Dire, j'ai dit la vérité. I said the truth. Conduire, to drive. J'ai conduit ta voiture. I drove your car. Souffrir, j'ai souffert. Ouvrir, j'ai ouvert. J'ai ouvert la porte. Apprendre, j'ai appris. J'ai appris ma leçon. Prendre, j'ai pris sa main. Vivre, vécu, elle a vécu longtemps. She lived for a long time. Venir, venu, nous sommes venus te voir. Lire, lu, j'ai lu ce livre. I read that book. Croire, to believe. J'ai cru en toi. I believed in you. Recevoir, to receive. Tu as reçu une lettre. You received a letter. Devoir, to must. To have to. Nous avons dû partir. We had to leave. Vouloir, voulu. Hier, j'ai voulu partir tôt. Mourir. Je suis mort. Je suis mort. I'm dead. Avoir. Eu. Even if you see EU, you're gonna say U in that one. J'ai eu un nouveau téléphone pour mon anniversaire. Suivre. To follow. Le détective a suivi le suspect. Écrire. Vous avez écrit un poème. Traduire. To translate. Ils ont traduit ce discours. Construire. To build. Ils ont construit un immeuble. Découvrir. To discover. J'ai découvert un trésor. Offrir. To offer. Je t'ai offert une bague. Je t'ai offert une bague. Asseoir. J'ai assis mon chien. Comprendre. J'ai compris le problème. Mettre. To put. Vous avez mis la cuillère dans la tasse. Descendre. To go down. Vous êtes descendu du bus. Vous êtes descendu du bus. Boire. To drink. J'ai bu un café. Perdre. To lose. J'ai perdu mes clés. Tenir. To hold. Elle a tenu le chat. Savoir. To know. J'ai su la réponse. I know the answer. J'ai su la réponse. Voir. To see. Il a vu un fantôme. Pouvoir. To be able to. Can. J'ai pu partir à l'heure aujourd'hui. So this was, as you saw, 35 very useful verbs that you can use in everyday's life. So I totally recommend you to try to learn them by heart, because at some point it's sure you're gonna use them. Now, I don't know if you noticed, some of the verbs actually had the same ending, and this is something that's going to help you when you're going to try to remember them. For example, when you're going to have verbs ending with frire, like souffrir, or vrir, ouvrir, when you're going to conjugate them as a passé composé, so j'ai ouvert, j'ai souffert, you're going to have this R at the end, and this is a pattern you're going to find with other verbs ending with vrir and frire. Or if I have a verb ending with venir, like devenir, revenir, this IR will be transformed into U. Je suis venu, je suis revenu. You have this U. And this is something you can do with other type of verbs as well. But sometimes it doesn't work with all of them. So be careful with these irregular verbs, because sometimes you're gonna find a pattern and sometimes you won't find one. So learn them by heart. So obviously there is more than just these verbs when we start talking about irregular verbs. But this one, it's a list I made that I think should be very helpful. If you see any missing verbs, don't hesitate to share them under this video. This will be very useful for the community. Thank you in advance. If you have any question, don't hesitate to leave a message under this video, and of course don't forget to like the page if you haven't done it yet. And of course I see you soon. À bientôt.